Hello viewers, welcome back to the episode Valley. Marodi TV just dropped the exclusive trailer for episodes 35 and 36, and trust me, the lies are finally catching up to everyone. From Article 195 to a shocking eviction, let's break down every cinematic detail you might have missed. The house of cards is finally falling. If you thought the medical scandal in episode 34 was intense, the new trailer for episodes 35 and 36 proves that the Mensonges, the lies have reached a deadly breaking point. The trailer opens with brutal domestic explosions. We see a man pushed to his absolute limit. Dégage city mission, demanding an immediate eviction that signals the end of this family peace. It is clear that the foundation of this home is built on secrets that can no longer be hidden. But the drama shifts from living room to the courtroom fast. Security forces and police storm the scene, especially citing Article 195 of the Penal Code. This is not just a family argument anymore, it's a criminal investigation that could land major characters behind the bars. The most viral reading moment of the preview, the word gangster is thrown around as the authorities close in. This implies the mother in our story has been involved in much darker activities than we ever imagined. From stolen eggs to fake medicines, the consequences are finally arriving. The wait is almost over. Marudi TV is dropping two exclusive episodes back to back this Friday at 18. Who do you think is the right gangster of this story? Drop your theories in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for the full breakdown.